High-intensity exercise leads to fatigue. Fatigue causes a decline in performance. What can we do to reduce fatigue after exercise and recover faster? Hydration and nutrition. Rehydration and consumption of carbohydrates and protein are effective techniques for optimizing repair of muscle damage. Immediately after a match, players should drink a large volume of fluid, about 150% of the sweat loss, with a high concentration of sodium, about 500 to 700 milligrams per liter of water, flavored milk, and tart cherry or berry juice. It is recommended to drink a large volume of fluid after the match instead of small quantities gradually. The addition of sodium at 500 to 700 milligrams per liter promotes fluid retention, stimulates thirst, delays urine production, and increases glucose absorption. Within the hour following play, players should eat a meal containing high-glycemic index carbohydrate and protein. It is recommended to take 1.2 grams of carbohydrate per kilogram of body weight per hour, for up to 5 hours after a match, to enable maximum resynthesis of muscle glycogen stores. 20 grams of milk protein during the first 2 hours of post-exercise recovery stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Flavored milk is an effective beverage for post-exercise recovery. It contains carbohydrate and proteins in similar amounts to those used in studies demonstrating improved post-exercise recovery. Juices such as tart cherry juice, tomato juice, or berry juice are also recommended to enhancing the recovery process. These juices are loaded with a high antioxidant capacity, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Sleep. Sleep is an essential part of recovery management. Lost sleep reduces endurance performance, maximal strength, cognitive performance, and the immune system. Less than 7 hours sleep per night triples the risk of infections and double the risk of musculoskeletal injuries. Cold water immersion. Several meta-analyses confirm the benefits of cold water immersion for recovery. The recommended regime of cold water immersion is whole body immersion lasting 10 to 20 minutes, the temperature of 12 to 15 degrees Celsius immediately after the match.